all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their little wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning, that brightness of the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all.
Stand at this! Attention! Pledge! India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperities, along lies my happiness. Stand at this! Message of headmistress!
Good morning to everyone. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28th July of every year. This day helps to create awareness about protecting and conserving natural resources, and it makes the man understand the importance of conservation of nature. Nature is a gift of God and must be respect and protect. Nature gives water, food, soil, minerals, etc. Animals and plants also part of nature. So we should protect nature. Otherwise it will die. We cannot imagine without water, without food, without soil, without air. So we should protect our nature. Overpopulation, pollution, burning of fossil fuels, deforestation are the factors affect the beauty of our nature. Here are some simple habits implemented our day-to-day life. A huge difference conservation of nature. We needed to plant more and more trees and stop cutting down trees. Reduce the use of electricity. Reduce consumption of water. We needed to stop water, air, soil pollution so that the earth stays clean and healthy. Save earth, save nature.
Message of our beloved teacher.
Respected teachers, dear students and my dear parents, today is July 28. July 28, we are celebrating as the Nature Conservation Day. This celebration is meant for to create an awareness among the people about the necessity of conserving nature. Nature is the gift of God. It is to be protected for the next generation. the human beings, the greedy human beings, are exploiting the natural resources like forest, water, minerals, and other things. He only wants profits. The survival of human being is dependent on the survival of nature. So we have to protect the nature. We should not do any harm to our Mother Earth. Earth is our mother, so we have to protect our earth and other natural resources. In this occasion, all of us should take an oath that we will not do any harm to the nature. Okay, thank you.
Thought for the day by Shanija.
Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything.
Thought for the day by Arjuna.
The earth is what we all have in common.
Speech by Muhammad Raihan.
Dear friends, today July 28th, Nature Conservation Day. Nature is the embodiment of nature and the diverse species of nature and their habitats. Understanding the importance of natural resources, Nature Conservation Day is celebrated with the aim of encouraging people to conserve natural resources. No living thing can live on this earth alone. Plants, animals, and the atmosphere all need to survive exploitation. Therefore, many conservation and adequate care of animals needs to be properly implemented. Waste management is another important challenge. We need to protect this nature by planting trees, conserving water bodies, and by implementing non-toxic cultivation. We need to create a non-exploitative environment by promoting eco-friendly lifestyles like without wasting water and avoiding plastics. Let us work together in the day by remembering and striving for Gandhiji's words that what we need is on earth, but what we have for greed is not on this earth. With the hope that nature is ours and we are of nature. Thank you.
Speech by Anand.
Good morning everyone.